Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Pinterest inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Pinterest inspired home decorating is a style that brings the charm and beauty of the past into your home. It mixes old-fashioned elements, soft colors, antique-style furniture, and delicate decorative pictures to create a warm, cozy, and timeless atmosphere. This style often feels romantic, comfortable, and nostalgic, like a home from many years ago, but still fresh and inviting. Here are some simple tips to help you decorate your home in a vintage style. Add distressed or wooden furniture. Furniture with a slightly aged or rustic look works beautifully in vintage decor. Examples: wooden cabinets, old-style dressers, from house tables, vintage side tables. Decorate with floral fabrics. Floral patterns are very common in vintage homes. You can add them through curtains, cushion covers, tablecloths, sofa drawers. Floral fabrics makes a room feel romantic and courteous-like. Use wicker and natural materials. Natural materials makes vintage homes feel warm and inviting. Wicker baskets, wooden trays, linen fabrics, cotton table runners. They add texture and a cozy from house touch. Mix old and new pieces. You don't need everything to be antique. Combine modern furniture, vintage accessories, handmade items like crochet cushions or blankets. Decorate with vintage mirrors. Old style mirrors with wooden or curved frames add charm to any room. Hang a mirror in the living room or hallway. Place a small vintage mirror on a dresser or shelf. Use old books as decor. Vintage books are perfect decorative pieces. You can stack them on coffee tables. Place them on open shelves. Use them under candles or small vases. Add crochet and handmade items. Handmade pieces bring warmth to vintage decor. For example, crochet cushion covers, crochet table runners, handmade blankets. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Flowers make vintage homes feel lively and romantic. Good options include roses, lavender, daisies, oil flowers. Place them in glass jars, ceramic pitchers, or small vases. Use baskets for storage and decor. wicker or oven baskets are perfect for vintage homes. You can use them to store blankets, magazines, kitchen items, fruits, or vegetables. They are both practical and decorative. Add soft lighting. Warm lighting helps create a cozy vintage mood. Try table lamps with fabric shades, candles, and small lanterns. Soft light makes the room feel comfortable and inviting. Display vintage dishes. Instead of hiding dishes in cabinets, display them on open shelves or glass cabinets. You can show floral plates, teacups, old bowls, ceramic widgets. This adds color and personality to your kitchen and dining area. Use lace or embroidered linens. Vintage homes often include delicate fabrics like lace tablecloths, embroidered napkins, lace runners. Mix different furniture pieces. Vintage style does not need matching furniture. Try mixing wooden chairs with different designs, a rustic table with vintage cabinets, an antique stool beside a modern sofa. Add classic timepieces. Vintage clocks add a nostalgic touch. Examples: wall clocks, small table clocks, antique alarm clocks. Place them on mantels, shelves, or side tables. Decorate with wooden trays. Wooden trays are perfect for vintage decor. You can place them on kitchen counters, coffee tables, dining tables. Arrange candles, jars, flowers, or small decor items on the tray. Bring nature inside. Natural elements make vintage homes feel fresh and cozy. You can add small potted plants, herbs in the kitchen, fresh flowers in jars. Use glass jars and bottles. Old jars and bottles can become beautiful decor pieces. Use them for flower vases, kitchen storage, candle holders. Choose soft floral patterns. Floral designs are a key element of vintage decor. You can use them on cushion covers, curtains, tablecloths, sofa straws. Decorate with candles and lanterns. Soft lighting makes vintage spaces feel more relaxing. Try candle holders, small lanterns, vintage style lamps. Add wicker and oven items. Vintage homes often include natural textures such as wicker baskets, rattan trays, oven storage baskets. Handmade items make vintage decor feel more special. For example, crochet cushion covers, knitted blankets, handmade table runners. Decorate with fresh flowers. Fresh flowers instantly add vintage charm. Good choices include roses, daisies, lavender, oil flowers. Place them in ceramic pitchers, glass jars, or small vases for a lovely cottage look. Style your coffee table. A coffee table can become a beautiful vintage display. Try combining a small flower vase, a stick of old books, a candle or lantern. Keep it simple and cozy. Use wooden cutting boards as decor. In vintage kitchens, wooden cutting boards are often used as decoration. You can lay them against the wall on the counter. Place them on open shelves. They add warmth from house character to the kitchen. Choose vintage style bedding. For bedrooms, use soft and cozy fabrics such as floral bed covers, lace pillowcases, soft blankets. Add a vintage entryway corner. Decorate your entrance with simple vintage items, a wooden bench or a small table, wicker baskets, a small mirror, a vase with flowers. Keep decor simple and cozy. Vintage homes usually feel soft and relaxed, not crowded. Choose a few meaningful decor pieces instead of too many items. Use a wooden ladder for decor. A small decorative wooden ladder can become a beautiful vintage piece. Create a small tea or coffee corner. Vintage homes often have a cozy drink corner. Place on a tray teacups, a small teapot, sugar jar, a small flower vase. This creates a cute and welcoming vintage spot. Decorate with small plants. Plants make vintage spaces feel fresh and lively. Thanks for watching the video.